Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to make a video collage on Instagram. For that we need to go to Instagram account and here I was typing on this option. So here I was typing on reel. After I was using the camera and here I was using the reel option. So here after typing the reel, here I have the option of collage. So here you can see I was tapping on that. So here I have to different types of collages here. So here we have three types of collages. So like this, if you I was recording this reel, recording this video, and again I was editing that, and again after recording this. So like this again, you can recording the reel of this. Again I have recording this. So like this we can make a collage video on Instagram account. Thank you.